The horizontal pressure. Steam Autoclave Series is an advanced sterilization solution engineered for hospitals, research laboratories, pharmaceutical manufacturing, food processing facilities, and central sterile supply departments. Designed to sterilize wrapped and unwrapped instruments, textiles, rubber materials, liquids, porous loads, and hollow devices, it delivers exceptional reliability and consistent performance. Its robust triple-layer stainless steel chamber, automatic vertical sliding door, and high-efficiency vacuum system ensure complete air removal and optimal saturated steam penetration for safe, effective sterilization. The intelligent PLC and 7-inch touchscreen HMI provide intuitive operation, customizable sterilization cycles, real-time monitoring, data storage, and integrated printing for complete process traceability. Built with medical-grade stainless steel piping, automatic drainage, water-saving technology, and comprehensive safety systems, this autoclave maximizes operational efficiency while minimizing maintenance requirements. Certified to international standards including CE, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ASME, FDA, the YR05647 delivers the performance, precision, and reliability required for modern sterilization applications where safety and quality are essential.